Hey guys! This lesson is about countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are for things we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. The singular form can use the determiner a or n. And if you want to ask about the quantity of the countable noun, you ask, how many? For example, she has 3 dogs. I own a house. I would like 2 books, please. How many friends do you have? Uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count with numbers. They may be the names for abstract ideas or qualities, or for physical objects that are too small or too amorphous to be counted, such as liquids, powders, or gases. Uncountable nouns are used with the singular verb. They usually do not have a plural form. Some uncountable nouns are tea, rice, beauty, love, money, evidence. We cannot use a or an with these nouns. To express a quantity of an uncountable noun, use a word or expression like some, a lot of, much, a bit of, a great deal of, or else use an exact measurement like a cup of, a bag of, 1 kilo of, 1 liter of, a handful of, a pinch of, an hour of, a day of. If you want to ask about the quantity of an uncountable noun, you ask, how much? For example, there has been a lot of research into the causes of this disease. He did not have much sugar left. How much rice do you want?